Yo, what's up guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a kneaded eraser. So a kneaded eraser should be looking like this. Should be nice and sticky and yeah. So let me just show you how to make the kneaded eraser. So all you need is just a eraser. Eraser should be, it doesn't necessarily have to be this type of eraser. It could be any type of eraser. Okay, so the first step is to just rub the eraser on the table. Now you would have to use the eraser on a surface like a table. Okay, so you just rub it until you see dreads coming out. So right away you guys should be seeing dreads. And then once you do that, you just stick them together by rubbing it with your finger until it sticks together. Every dread sticks together. So you just basically play with it until it gets nice and sticky. And squishy, of course. So there we go. Now it should be looking like this. Like that. Now just do the same thing with the eraser. So same steps. You rub it. Okay. You collect all the dreads that came from the eraser, and then use your fingers to rub all the dreads and stick them together. And then once you're done sticking your dreads together, then you should just stick these two kneaded erasers together to create a bigger one. Kinda like this. Okay? So watch. Same thing, rub the eraser on the desk, collect the dreads, stick them together by rubbing it with your finger. And yeah, so that's almost it. And then just stick them together like that. So that's how you make a kneaded eraser. And yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And yeah, so yeah, so now you guys now know how to make a kneaded eraser. And as always, like and subscribe, and peace